What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Shootin' a Shave. In today's video, I am going to be shaving off my mustache. The Blackhawks have been officially eliminated from the playoff picture, so it's time to get rid of the mustache. Brush I'm going to be using today is my brand new Lancaster Razorworks brush that I picked up at the Meetup. And the soap I'm going to be using today is Proraso Green. It's a hot day out there today, so need a little menthol. I'm going to go ahead and load up the brush here. We'll come back for the shave. Okay, so I got a good load in this brush here. I'm only going to do one pass, just a simple north to south. Hope everybody is doing well. Hope everybody is having a nice weekend. Like I said, we've been having some warm weather here. The temperatures have been in the 70s. I think later this week it's supposed to go in the 80s. All right, that looks good. I'm going to clean up the lips here real quick. And today I'm going to be using my Gem Junior here. We'll see how this does taking off a mustache. And it's clogging up a little bit here, so I might have to switch the razor out. We'll see what happens. There we go. And now for the other side. There we go. Guess the trick is it's just to get up in this corner here and then work your way down. Then you can clean it with one swipe, not starting down here. All right. Well, that didn't take long. Next weekend I have the Meetup in New York. It's the Wet Shavers Expo. I'm really looking forward to that. I think last I heard, there's like 120 people going. This is definitely probably going to be the biggest event that I've attended so far. Well, definitely it is the biggest event I've attended so far. All right, that's going to do it for the shave. I'm going to go ahead and rinse up, and we'll be back for post-shave. Okay, so for post-shave, I'm just going to go with Proraso Green. I'm going to put a good, healthy dose. Yeah, some think I'm going to just keep the mustache off, and thinking about keeping the chin strap here. Looks good.
People, we have to business. I promise you. We have to stay wrong. Promise
So here's a quick recap of what I used. Went with Proraso Green. Brush today was my Lancaster Razorworks brush. Razor today was the Gem Junior. And for post-shave, went with Proraso Green. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to conclude this video. Hope you guys all have a great week, and I'll see you again soon for another shave. Take care.